Well, once again, it's a pleasure to have you with us right here on Checkpoint. I'm not alone. Our sign language interpreter tonight is Damian Evans. Let's get you informed. Now, rising borrowing costs and tougher market conditions could see the embattled government struggle to refinance upcoming maturing debts. It is now emerging. This is against a backdrop of a weaker credit rating by global rating agencies, signaling taxpayers will have to dig deeper into their pockets to service the planned loans amid tighter global loan market conditions. Global ratings agency Fitch became the latest agency to downgrade Kenya's credit rating outlook, dimming the country's chances of tapping cheaper credit on the international market. Now, credit rating or outlook cut is significant because it may influence a country's cost of borrowing in the international financial markets. This means the Ruto government may have to hike taxes, cut spending, or seek costly external commercial loans amid the ongoing economic crisis. The revision of Kenya's outlook to negative reflects increased external financing constraints amid high funding requirements, including a $2 billion Eurobond maturity in 2024, weakening international reserves, rising financial costs, and uncertainty regarding the fiscal trajectory, for example, due to execution risks of the announced tax hikes amid social unrest. Moving on, it's a big blow to Azimio Brigade.